How to make video with pictures and music in Snapchat. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel and let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application. From here, get logged to your specific Snapchat account and let's go ahead and take a random picture. Once you click the picture, this will be added as a background. Now here you sticker icon on your top right hand side, tap onto it. Beside your Bitmoji, you will see this gallery photo. If you tap onto it, it will open up all the photos that you have in your camera roll. So let's go ahead and tap onto it. From here, you have to select any photos that you would like to add. You can also add multiple photos. Let's go ahead and repeat the same process. Tap on the sticker icon. Tap on the gallery icon. Once you do so, let's go ahead and place these photos. And once done, you will also find a music icon. Tap on it. You can simply search for the music that you would like to add. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with this one. Tap on to next, then tap on the check icon. Once done, you can also hide it here. Even if you hide it, the music will still be playing. Once you're satisfied, tap on the save icon. And just like so, this is how you can create or make videos and picture with music. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.